Hello. Welcome to 1 Minutes Programming. Remember, like and subscribe to improve your programming skill. In this video, we will talk about how to handle exception in Spring Boot. First, we have a Spring Boot exception handling application class and a set of customer sample data in REST controller. Sure that an endpoint for retrieving customer data. Inside the method, there are some basic if-else logic to check whether the customer size is equal to 1. If not 1, it will throw exceptions. Let's try the API. When we error getting customer 1, it returned 200, which is a successful response. Let's try 2. We can see we error hitting 500 internal server error as duplicated customer record in the sample list. Let's go to see the exception class. Here, we have an annotation called response status. It identified the response status as 500. Also, the error code and message. We can try another case, customer 0. We got another exception, which is returning 400 error as there is no customer found. Most of the time, we would like to customize the exception response body. Let's see how exception handler annotation work. When there is any application exception thrown, we can catch it and map to error response object, then return to client side. Application exception extends runtime exception. While customer not found exception and duplication customer records exception extends application exception. Let's restart the service and try again. Here we can see the API is returning error response object directly. It included both error code and message only. Status also aligned with what we set in the constructor, instead of response status annotation. Thank you for watching the video. Source code link put in the description box below. Like and subscribe. Enjoy!